tips when applying for a car loan. Number 1, understand the purpose of why you're buying a car. Gagamitin mo ba ito for personal errands like groceries or driving your children to school, or for business reasons like client meetings or product deliveries? Importante ito dahil sa second na point, which is choose a car that best suits your needs. If you intend to use the car for big product deliveries, then mas practical ang pickups or utility vans. Kung gusto mo lang ng convenient transportation from your home to your office, then pwede na ang sedan. Kung para naman sa pamilya, pwede na ang MPV or SUV. Regardless of what car you'll get, you have to do the third tip, which is do the math. Good thing we have BDO Auto Loan for this.
Go to BDO Auto Loan, click Calculator, then Calculate Now.
At meron ka ng idea kung magkano ang monthly amortization mo. Take note lang ha that this is only a sample computation. Ang final computation will be given to you by a BDO account officer upon loan application. Marami rin silang cash out options, mababa ang interest rates, mabilis ang loan processing, at may decision ka na within 24 hours basta kompleto lang ang requirements mo. So if you want to apply for a BDO Auto Loan, visit any BDO branch nearest you.